guys, like to say I'm Joe Nawaya. I'm here with my partner Elliot. Say hi, bro. We come from Creative Mindspace. So Creative Mindspace is basically a design studio. We aim at creating innovative and beautiful designs for our clients and make sure that it fits their identity. The main idea and the vision behind Creative Mindspace is we realize that we have so many entrepreneurs starting up great things and good products and great services, but their branding is so bad. And that actually affects you because now you're not visually communicating well to your audience. So Creative Mindspace now creates a bridge in between startup companies and young entrepreneurs that actually want that beautiful branding, a beautiful logo, like great photo shoot and go out there. Because now we as startups, we can't actually access all these design services and these design agencies because they charge you like crazy. So at Creative Mindspace now, we create packages for our startups according to your budget. And we give you a flat rate at the end of every month that you just pay once off. So we do your whole branding, we do your social media, animation, web development. So your brand doesn't only stop through your logo or on brochures or business cards. We can actually be able to take your brand through video, through animation, through web development. Yeah, that's basically what we do.